Yes, please. Just adjust the microphone. The tone को करके रखो. Yes. Or the microphone का भी immediate sir empty करेगा ना. I'm should be like this. पूरा उनको पड़ा देंगे. और वो edit करेंगे. Yes. 376 AB. ଆପଣ notice order କରିପାରିବେ ମୁଁ ଡାକି paravan ଲେଖି your name sir your Mr. Dasmapatra so Suryakant S Dasmapatra for the petitioner Mr. A.K. Nanda AG for the state earlier order credit the BLAPL has been filed by the petitioner under section 438 of the CRPC seeking bail arising out of PS case number 80, GR case number 80, pending report so and so. As the earlier BLAPL 8736 of 2023 was taken up and earlier order question dichanti करना किंतु हो सब जिनस इज पेपरलेस कोर्ट सर you have to annex it rejection order upon pair of chief Mr. Nanda the earlier order 1310 was not taken up was disposed of by order of this court dated 1310 by this bench 1310-2023 the matter has been the present petition has been placed before this bench in terms of the standing order number 2 dated so and so of the High Court of Orissa. Yes, Mr. Dasmapatra, what are the changed circumstances that you have to tell me? Why should I consider it again? What are the changed circumstances? For repeated bail petitions, the same court has to consider that what are the changed circumstances. So, what are the changed circumstances I can tell you? Right? Now, oh. The trial has been commenced. Yes. High Court has already commenced. You want to rely on any statement of any witness? Because you see 376 AB, once the court is rejecting by considering the material on record like 164 statement or medical evidence, how you are renewing the prayer, you are just taking a chance. No, already rejected once, whatever was there. So you may get acquittal order, or you have to be sure that somebody has stated something favoring you. Have you checked? Have you seen yourself? What is the statement of any witness? Caesar witness what names? So that I am telling you. Sir, totally false case is a good for acquittal. I will direct that since there is a likelihood of acquittal of the petitioner, so the bail is allowed. Yes, for a local person who commits alleged of committing a heinous crime, is that a valid ground? Then why? Always try to make a legally nuanced submission. local person, no likelihood of he escaping the custody. He will sit in the police station for 24 hours. Or he has to be. Why he should be? Somebody who is alleged of committing heinous crime on a 6-year-old child. Why he should be, according to you? You see, there are competing claims of seeking justice for the society and for the victim, and the justice for the this person who is facing the accusation. So this is so he will be acquitted. Sir, don't repeat. Whole problem is you have read something, you are not listening to the court. You are not answering. You are just saying 24 he is a local resident. See para 12. What is there in para 12 for the court to see? They will not turn up. It will end up in acquittal. Can I compel attendance of the informant and victim? I will issue an imbue or biddable. Like, I don't understand this sort of approach of a counsel in this kind of bail petitions for 376 AB. You go on filing repeated bail petitions. When I ask you what is the change circumstances, he is a local person. And the informant and victim, they are not turned up. You see, because of the threat to them, I had directed for police to inquire and publish a report. You are the original counsel or the change counsel? Transport brief. That's the problem. See, today you should have been prepared today itself. Yes. In view of the allegations against the petitioner under 376 AB of the IPC, in terms of the 482 1D provision, don't dictate the order. No. Don't make a prayer of dictating the order. You have prayed, you have submitted. I have gone to that side. Though there is a barrier, I have gone to that side and I have discussed with you. These things I am not supposed to discuss with you. No. Why should you be pardoned? You have done your duty. But when I am thinking aloud, you have the advantage of listening to the court, what goes in the court's mind, so that you can prepare accordingly. 439. 439, 1 into bracket English 1 into bracket small b proviso. The victim oblique informant are entitled for audience in the present proceeding. The petitioner shall file an extra copy of the petition. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall file an extra copy of the petition in the registry, which shall be forwarded to the learned court in season of the matter to communicate the copy to the informant oblique victim, informing them regarding their right of audience in the present proceeding. Another extra copy shall be sought from the learned AG to enable him to forward the same to the concerned IAC for forwarding the copy to the informant oblique victim, intimating them regarding the next date and their right of audience in the present proceeding. The secretary DLSA shall do well to take steps for providing legal aid to the informant oblique victim placing the person in the present proceeding before this court, in case they are unable to engage any counsel on their own. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the informant of the victim shall have the liberty to appear before the nearby virtual court of High Court of Orissa. Copy kepe this. Right now, copy letter. The copy will be provided by tomorrow. Kepe down, kepe after vacation kepe. Second opening week. The list of 28/6/2024 public benefits benefits text. Yes.
Item 2,
Mr. M.S.Sahoo for the petitioner. Mr. Taken on the AG on behalf of state. Para 1 का लिखिए, para 2 भी लिखिए, para 3 लिखो तो the counsel from the petitioner seeks to withdraw the petition and files memo. What a catastrophe that's memo. Memo is taken on record. The petition is dismissed as withdrawn.
item 3,
Okay. Last material attacking in one. Who is in jail custody in connection with so and so PS case, GR case number 8, pending report so and so. 4. Para 2. Since the earlier petition, that is BL APL number 8469 2023, filed by the petitioner, was rejected by this court. So, some the date is. अच्छा, the BL number कितना? कौन तो था?
8469.
The number code election.
The parental status.
8469 of 2023, filed by the co-accused, was rejected by this bench by order dated. By order dated so and so. देखो और क्या करना? Therefore, लिखी इधर दिल से करें. The present petition has been listed before this bench for consideration in terms of the standing order number 2. Dated so and so of the High Court. तापर उद्धर लेंगे. Yes. Yes. Next.
item 3,
There was scan BL 8119. Did you put up the scan? Yes, Mr. The scan is yes. Yes. Still no one has that vicinity option. Tapas Kumar Datta. One difficulty, Mr. Mishra, is that because we have shifted the date. It was supposed to come on 17/5. I have preponed it on because tomorrow, since there is the bench will not function. So that's one of the possibility. That he would have intimated the date of 17/5. Because when this bench function next is to kind of a ambivalent statement. So what is to be done? Suggest. Yes, yes. Yes.
Then find out of the relevant date. Out of order date.
Mr. Samir Mr. Senior Counsel instructed by Jagjivan Pradhan for the petitioner. Mr. A.K. on the AG for the state. So, by order dated 6/5/2024, copy of the order of the same date was forwarded to the Secretary DLSA for handing over the copy of the order to Mr. Datta, counsel appearing on behalf of the informant of the victim. Since the matter has been taken up on 16/5/2024 instead of 17/5/2024. To give further intimation to the non counsel appearing for the informant of the victim. Please start the vacation. ଆପଣ କେବେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି?
28
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ 28 ଭେକେସନ ପରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମିଷ୍ଟର 26 or 21/6 usually the weekend
21
21/6/2024 probably when this makes functions next. During vacation I don't know what are the dates. I am unable to fix a date also. No, the problem is that there is a possibility if I am checking in vacation, I cannot, I may not be able to release the matter, this particular matter. Yes.
item 4
Mr. Hon'Ble, you have the up-to-date instructions. The learned AG has suggested he has received up-to-date instructions from the case diary.
So it is item 4, I am there virtually.
Yes.
Please launch.
25 June. Yes. Yes, Mr. Hon'Ble.
My lords. Here the petitioner has renewed his prayer for bail, my lords.
Your Honor, colleague is has some personal difficulty is not there.
Who
Mr. Korpake.
was there in the first hour, I have argued with him.
You were there. You were there. You come after vacation. Okay.
Sir, can a bail application for the absence of a counsel, my lords, will it be adjourned after vacation?
There you will be right. I think Mr. Patti or Mr. Hon'Ble will not, disagree with you. But at times, unforeseen things he has already left, so. Devasith Panda along with Mr. B.B. Mishra for the petitioner. So Patti, you are there in this matter. Mr. A.K. Patti, okay. That's Mr. Jacob. No, that's the Nahanti record clinical. Mr. A.K. Patti, additional standing counsel for OP1. For the state, for state Korea. Mr. Dharinder Naik, senior counsel, instructed by Mr. Balaram Naik for the informant. The additional standing counsel submits that Mr. J. Kotakia, from the AG who has been assigned the brief, have to rush to his village or cross to his village due to some emergency. He's not his because of his non-availability, the matter may be adjourned. Mr. Hon'Ble and counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter is pending since long and regular adjournments have been sought for.
No, my lord, your lordship need not.
Okay, sorry. The line continue. As great for list of 26/2024 public premise bench sits next.
Yes.
Item 5.
So Mahapatra, here this fellow, somebody has been granted bail who accused. So I ask you that to verify what is the exact allegation against this. Yes. Did you do that exercise that so that at least he can respond? Yes. I remember, but state I have somewhere from the check. We have a constant of time to do. So they have to rise. That's from other engagement. So state I will come there. आपको पूरा best part. Medical evidence अच्छी कौन से concept की कारण बने कि what you are holding, is there anything? Suppose there is a injury by blood. You are not holding any impulse. If there is a cone to protect best part in favor of your client. No. Simple lacerated injury is only death. Then you have not seen. About last time we said going to ଆପଣ ମୋତେ ବୁଝେଇଲେ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇଲି ଲାଇକ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲ ଲାସରେସନ ହବନି ଏକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ଆମର ଟିଟାନସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା पोस्ट इंजुरी इन्फेक्शन है टिटेनस है सेप्टिसिमिया है दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग एग्जैक्टली आपण सेडा आपण बोलू पछले आपण देखि परले गला तो आपण कहले मु देखि बोली मते देखला त मु त देखि दियो आपण तो मते असिस्ट करिवे यस प्लीज यदि पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट अछि दियो Para the petition has been filed by the petitioner, which is para to be elected. Since the earlier BLAPL 9967 of 2023 filed by the two of the accused persons arising out of the same FIR, or the same FIR. PS case number 137 of 2023. PS case number 137 of 2023 corresponding to GR case 38 of 2023. It was disposed of by order dated 23/11/2023 passed by this court. The present BLAPL has been placed before this bench for consideration in terms of the standing order number 2, dated so and so, the High Court of Orissa. कौन हाईलाइट करेंगे ना सिर्फ दिल्ली और कोई किसी नहीं है और ये तो सेटा प्रॉब्लम just so Mahabharata, body language microphone understood. They not say कौन सी वाले इटा एमिटी रखले असुविधा इटा एमिटी रहने better. Internal कौन जोड़ा अपना पढ़ने से ना कौन तो अपन तो कोई नहीं acceleration अच्छी. हाँ दियों तो किशन नॉर्मल दियों. नहीं दियों तो अपन तो पढ़ने नहीं दियों. Diffuse subscapular hematoma across the brain. Two parts of the brain have been separated. Scalpel, no, subscapular or subdural. That's spelling mistake. Hela, ठीक है. पढ़ो. Hematoma. Whole scalp. तापरे? Structural separation. Sutural separation. Sutural separation. Subdural and subarachnoid hemorrhage. That is the internal injury. सुनो तो ऐसा सीधे से है ही था. से सेसर कोट छाड़ दिया था. ऐसी हाई कोर्ट रे कितने दिन का पार्ट में रही है. हाई कोर्ट से तंगर इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्टिव कोर्ट थे. अपन कहबे जे से किछि इंजुरी नै से शेयर करा छै. अच्छा तुम एपटे जीवो ओके. आसो एपटे जे ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଆପଣ ପଢିଲେନି ସବଡୁରାଲ ହିମାଟୋମା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସୁଚର ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ସ୍କଲ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିବେ ଯୋଉ ଜଏଣ୍ଟ ନଥାଏ ସିଲେଇ ଭଳିଆ ଜାଗା ସେଟା ପୁରା ଦିଫାଳ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ସେପାରେସନ ଅଫ ଦ ସ୍କଲ୍ ତାପରେ ସବଡୁରାଲ ହିମାଟୋମା ଆଉ ଆରାକ୍ନଏଡ୍ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ରେ ହିମାଟୋମା ସେଟା ହିଁ ସ୍କଲ୍ ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ମାନେ ବ୍ରେନ୍ ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟଲି ଇଟାରେ ଯେ ବାଡିକି ଏଟା ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ କହିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାଗତ ହେଲା ସେ ହାତରେ ତୁଳା ଧରିଥିଲା त्रिशूल धरता भूसी धरता तो पंक्चर इंजुरी हो एटा एटा आपनकर क्लासिक केस जरा इटा इटारे बडे जरा जरा मुंडो इटारे छेचिले ए स्कॉल दिफाळ हो सबडुरल हिमाटोमा हो अपन निजे चेक बहुत प्रॉब्लम है सपोज आई वुड हैव स्टार्टेड डिक्टेटिंग द ऑर्डर आई वुड हैव टू रिजेक्ट द पिटिशन because your sole submission that there is no internal injury is completely negated by the contrary to the medical evidence. इटा ये रखते मैं अपन चेक एग्जामिन करूंगा आसु big sir difficult you to once you proceed in a particular direction if there is a so now it is easy for now this no it is so easy to dispose of the petition also because your sole contention that there is no injury internal injury is found to be completely opposite to the medical evidence. लिखले अपने द लॉरेट है 1 2 वाला पार्ट लिखो तो मिस्टर महापात्र लॉरेट काउंसिल 6 for the time to go through the medical evidence of record as well as obtain instruction regarding depositions of prosecution witnesses come on if any examined in the meantime for renewing the prayer for seeking leave of the court for grant of bail. ये अगर है फर्स्ट पिटिशन वो आप यूज करो कितने दिन रहे ये स्पेशल नंदा स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन ऑफ ना नहीं कोई कौन है सेटा तो फर्स्ट आर्गुमेंट आवागा कौन करे सुबिल yes so that is the okay on the
for the time to go to medical evidence the planning instruction regarding the question of this examine time for
in the meantime yes
for that of the
it is the already is understood in terms of the earlier order he has not been he is yet to receive the up-to-date instruction regarding status of trial. आज प्रेड फॉर लिस्ट ऑफ 21/6/2024 वो रजिस्टर हो गए तो ये सब हमारा पता ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ମଗେଇଦେବି ନାଇଁ ବେଳେବେଳେ ସେଟା କାଉଣ୍ଟର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟିଭ ହଉଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଡ଼ି କହିଲେ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନ ନେଇନି ସେ ଆସି କହିଲା ଯେ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନ ନେଇକି ସେ ଗଲେ ଯେମିତି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେନି 376 ରେ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁନଥିଲେ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଚାଲିଲା ଦିଦି ଥାର୍ଡ ବେଳକୁ ସେ ଆସିକି ତାଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇକି ଗଲେ ତାହେଲେ ପାସ୍ ପେପର ସେ ଛାଡ଼ିବେ କିଏ ସେ ଅଟୋ Mr. 21/6/2024/26 next.
Item 6.
Yes, please. Item 6 ଆପଣ ବି କରୁଛନ୍ତି you are Mr. Vishwan Sanjeev Vishwan item 6 same FIR number is at flag 813 yes sir it order ରହିବ ଆଉ bill ଗୁଡାକ ହଉନି ଆଉ ଠିକ ରେ କରୁନି non appearance pay ଆପଣ affidavit ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କଣ କୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରୁଛି affidavit ଡେଟ୍ କେବେ କହିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି ହଁ 3 ବର୍ଷେ ହେଲା जी जो ମା ବୋଲି ପଢେଇ ପକେଇଲେ କିଏ ତାଙ୍କର ଏବେ ଦେଇପାରିବେ ନା ବେଳର ମାନେ ପ୍ରଷ୍ଟେଟେଡ ହେଇଯିବେ ତା ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଘର ଲୋକ କିଏ ରହିବେ କଣ ଦି ଜଣ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ଲୋକାଲ ଲୋକ ଏବଂ ବାହାର ଲୋକ ବାହାର ଲୋକଙ୍କର ହେଲେ ଲୋକାଲ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ରହୁଛି ଟୁ ଲୋକାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟିଜ ଟୁ ସାଲ୍ ବି ରିଲେସନ ଜଣେ ଇମିଡିଏଟ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେମ୍ବର ଆଉ ଜଣେ ନିୟର ରିଲେଟିଭ ଯାହା ଆଗରୁ କେତେ ଦିନ ରହୁଥିଲେ ମାନେ ଟୋଟାଲ ପଚାରିଥିଲେ ନା କେତେଟା କେସରେ କେତେ ଦିନ ରହିଲେ ଠକେଇ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ତାକୁ ବୁଝେଇଲେ କହିଲେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଗରିବ ବୁଢୀକୁ ଧରିକି କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ତାକୁ ମାନେ କୋଲ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କରେ ପିଇକି ପଇସା କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ତା ପାଖରେ ନେଇଯିବା ଏଥିପାଇଁ 3 ଦିନ ବର୍ଷେ ରହିଲେ ବର୍ଷେ 3 ମାସ made his wage କେତେ ବୟସ କେତେ 42 Sanjeev Vishwan for the petitioner Mr. Akshay Kumar Pati additional standing is submitted by the counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is a local resident, shall subject himself to the jurisdiction of the Lord Court in season of the matter and shall abide by the terms and conditions that would be imposed if the court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner. Para, the Lord Additional Standing Counsel, referring to the materials contained in the case diary, nature of allegation, and past allegations of criminal activity against the petitioner, opposes the prayer for bail. Para, however, it is agreed at the bar that if the petitioner has it's agreed at the bar that in the meanwhile the criminal prosecution report has been submitted and the petitioner is in custody since more than a year. And the details of the past allegations given in the affidavit on behalf of the petitioner is in sync with the report furnished by the investigating agents. Having asked the learned counsel for the petitioner, the learned Additional Standing Counsel, this court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner, subject to such stringent terms and conditions that will be imposed by the learned court in season of the matter for the purpose of grant of bail, which shall include the following conditions. All conditions will be there. First condition, first condition है two local surety, out of which one shall be a family member and one shall be a near relative. अपन चेंज करें मैं आपको करेक्शन करूँ तो ऐसा रेफर करें. Yes.
Item 7.
Charge file 31(3). Date का चेंज करें. So visual आगे डेट को मुझे डिक्लेरेट करना है फिर 31 दिन कर दे. Yes, yes. Earlier rejected or whose petition has been rejected? First part. So Somaranjan Das for the petitioner, Mr. A.K. Pati, Additional Standing Counsel for the state. Para to record to since the earlier BLAPL 61 of 2024. Filed by one of the two accused. In the matter pertaining to the 61 का order dispose है जी वो order तक not we did the order not এটা আমার চার্জশিট দেওয়া মানে আছে রিজেকশন নেই earlier BLAPL
matter pertaining to
the order of the pound. Something on Patra or Panchik. For कितने order का record कुछ नहीं सुना है. Not हुई ना का पॉपटा पॉले. Not हुई ना तो. Shorting order का update नहीं. I have put it in order number 2 is 4. I understand that. But I am just trying to find it out in my brief. That is very difficult.
This is the problem.
Yes, I'm looking at that. But देखिए करिए मुझे एक्चुअली स्क्रीन में दिखा रहा है but it is not there. The चौथी नंबर अपलोड है नहीं. वो बात कॉपी अच्छी.
Copy the item on that. What is the item of the item number 9, 8. And it's 307.
कितना FIR कितना PS केस कितना GR केस गोटे FIR गोटे PS केस गोटे GR केस तो बोला था और देखिए arising out of Tangarpalli PS case number 20 of 2023. Just kind of carefully listen. So Mahathi also please listen. Tangarpalli PS case number 20 of 2023 corresponding to ST case number 129 of 26 of 2023 pending in the court of law in second action session was Raupela for arrest commission of offences under section 302 147 power 48. What usually शुक्रवारी भूमिष्ठा इतनी थिला आपनकर केतरा और बैठ 8 नंबर रे 9746 बार से शुक्रवारी भूमिष्ठा मिथुन गिरी आपनकर नो चार्ट कुछ नहीं वाट कुछ
No.
सिक्सटी वन का फाइनल ऑर्डर तक पड़ गया Alexa
3 days 7.
that 9 of real estate happened. But this fellow was holding आपका किस allegation कौन अपलोड कर मिस्टर अपलोड फर्स्ट मैटर अपलोड
आधार पिक्चर एफआईआर एप्लीकेशन
ये मिस्टर कॉपी देखिए
सबके बाद ऊपर कोडिंग का बैलेंस चेक करते
स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन कौन होता है अगेंस्ट मिस्टर दास और क्लाइंट अपलोड मैटर आपने नंबर कर
मैटर 9 नंबर
3282
there's something about holding the balance sheet and asset. I don't have to.
Diagnostic, that is how I was asking.
Yes, it's true.
So, is there any allegation that you are holding a iron or brick?
So this project is also because it's all based with
Raju K. Who is Raju? Raju has a petition on a chick. You are holding the iron rod. Iron. Upon client na caught.
one of the
Mola.
Actually, not other and some.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା କଣ କହିଲେ? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପୁଅ ନା?
छोटी नाम का
ପ୍ରିୟ କିଏ?
Priya is the granddaughter of Mohan.
ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ନାଁ କଣ?
The land of Gaurav Rao.
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲେଣି ଆପଣ? Mr. Das for Sovereign Das item 7. Sovereign Das for the petitioner, Mr. A.K. Potti, additional standing counsel for the state. Page 17 of BLAP 3607 Raj. Marginal issue. 3607. Para 1 लिख देना. The para 2 लिखो तो since connected BLAP of a co-accused, that is BLAP number 61 of 2024, was disposed of by this court by order dated 6/3/2024. The matter has been placed before this bench for consideration in terms of the standing order number 2, dated so and so of the High Court of Orissa. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in custody since 17/7/2023. In the meanwhile, the final prosecution report has been submitted on 14/11/2023. Initially, the prosecution proceeded with section 307 of the IPC. Later on, when the injured victim succumbed to his injuries, the acquisition changed to the acquisition was changed under section. The acquisition was changed to be that under section 302 of the IPC. It is further submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that there is no specific allegations against the petitioner as far as the report, as far as the FIR is concerned. But they submitted that continuation. It is submitted that the petitioner is a local person. He shall subject himself to the reporting season of the matter. And shall abide by all the terms and conditions that would be imposed if the petitioner is granted bail by this court. But the learned additional standing counsel referring to the materials contained in the case diary and nature of allegations opposes the prayer for bail. However, It is agreed at the bar that in the meanwhile the final prosecution report FPR has been submitted and there is no past allegations of criminal activity against the petitioner. And the age getting. Petitioner and so having heard the learned counsel from the petitioner and learned additional standing counsel for the state, the court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner subject to such different terms and conditions that would be imposed by the learned court in season of the matter. We shall also include the condition, the following conditions. Yes, Mr. Das, one family member. Two local sureties, one family member. Yes. Next. Yours is 3282. You realize why I am asking the number because I am looking at the number only. When opening the this. Yes. But you are moving for Raju who was holding iron rod. 3607. Yes, no.
Petitioner father clearly admitted that he was the fact that it will take. I will take it with the I can link that I can show that because of the father have taken all the responsibility that he has committed the crime. Because he has not miscarried and but
But if you go to the FIR, Raju was holding iron rod.
so the FIR story. But the that sheet when it was somehow it came out that
I guess say past allegations for us. Kitchen. So there will be two sureties, one relation and one near relative. Little bit stringent than what Mr. Das has planned.
that was grant of and he had no relation to one side of the other side of the grant of the
Yeah.
for which the state offer he was born. He did not follow.
The circumstances somewhat maybe that there was a kind of a initially a sudden fight without any premeditation. That is your solution. And without any premeditation, there is a fight among family members. So, one family member, one near relative. But कितने number है
Nine.
Nine. 7 and 9. अब ये FIR आप कितना करें?
Now,
Item 8.
Eight minute, I don't know, but that's one of that. And that is the about he had not done anything. The eyewitness was stated. So Subramani Mumiji narrated 52 years. Instead of due to property dispute.
Just a second. Now you are pressing 3571. Just a second. I have opened Adminia's 4 files. So, let me concentrate on one. 9746. This is the earlier one. So what happened in 9746? That guy देखो you are one next. What is the problem? At least every जानला पर जब upload करो तो update करो. उतरी जो order नहीं. Paperless court हमें compulsory को लागू होने लगे. Now bail has become completely paperless. We are not allowing any paper filing. ठीक है, बसो. I am not finding any fault with anyone. Please appreciate that. I am trying to contribute for improvement. যদি আমি দেখিলে এই প্রবলেম আছে এটা সঠিক আছে अपलोड 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 को क्या टैग करिए ये लेके देखो मिस्टर सौरभ दास फॉर द पिटिशनर मिस्टर इतने एंटीसीडेंट फॉर एट लेडी एक्सीडेंट किसी अच्छी लेडी अपन रिपोर्ट जाए कुछ आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू इन्वेस्टिगेट एंड फाइंड आउट एज पर योर रिपोर्ट कौन अछि द आइटम विच शुक्रम so सौरभ दास फॉर द पिटिशनर मिस्टर Pati additional standing counsel for the state which may first paragraph the slide at page 70 order touch the number file is nice BLAPL 9746 of 2023 the order para 1 para 2 let me to since the earlier BLAPL 9746 of 2023 so that's kind of when I'm dictating this kind of list since we are referring so many things there is a possibility of mistake being committed since the earlier BLAPL number 9746 of 2023 filed by one of the co-accused was disposed of by this bench by order dated 17/11/2023. The matter has been placed before the petition. The present petition has been placed before this bench for consideration in terms of the standing order number 2. So and so for a complete call. Then para 2. Para 3, sorry. Para 3, when I transfer the petitioner submits that the petitioner is a lady, aged about 54 years, is in custody since 6th February 2023. Date 9th February 2023. And the final prosecution report has been submitted on 16th of April 2023. Yeah. Your submission is that no overt act is attributed.
No.
Okay. So you are saying yes to him. It is also submitted by the London Council for the petitioner. There is no specific overt act is attributed to the petitioner. As far as causing the fatal injury to the deceased, as indicated in the FIR. Continuation for it is submitted that the petitioner is a local person. So subject herself to the jurisdiction of the Hon'Ble court in season of the matter and shall abide by all the terms and conditions. That may be imposed. But if the court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner. Para the Hon'Ble additional standing counsel referring to the materials contained in the case diary published by the investigating agency and the nature of allegations opposes the prayer for bail. However, it is agreed at the bar that the petitioner is under incarceration for more than 6 months. First half it takes further. So not will take some, sorry, more than 1 year. There is no past allegations of criminal activity against the petitioner. Having heard the Hon'Ble counsel for the petitioner, the Hon'Ble access standing counsel for the state, and considering the fact that the petitioner is a lady aged about 54 years, this court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner subject to such terms and conditions that will be imposed by the Hon'Ble court in season of the matter, which will also include the following conditions. 2 local sureties. Yes, Mr. Das, 2 local sureties. Subilai, properly Subilai.
I was thinking of PDF protocol.
No, you are referring to page 17 and 18 of your brief. Yes. So there these conditions are not there, you are saying. Is it your case?
No.
Then subject to such stringent terms and conditions that will be imposed by the non-court season of the matter. No, because for a lady, I have to consider that. In fact, no, I was thinking that. It's not that I picked up your statement just like that. I was thinking something, so you said that. So it has come to your notice also. One minute. तापर लिखिए और ये जो default paragraph है any expression in this order shall not be treated to be opinion on merit of the case. So the paragraph is that from the article. Yes. Yes.
Item 10.
CR 473 of 2023 final take Rachi. Check it out. Restoration of bail application for people. Phrase bail application now. CMPL Yes, Mr. Poti, restoration कौन? लापन के कलेंगे, अपन के प्रेस बिल लेके फाइल करें। Mr. दास भी पेपर था, विड्रॉ तो अपन को ना विड्रॉ लेके लाओ दे, कहाँ को तो विड्रॉ ही कला सकता है तो ये लेके लाओ सकते हैं, तो समझते करो क्या करो? No, BLAP is a thing. Then the difficult would be, it is my understanding. Just think about it. If it is restored, the condition would be of that date or today. Obviously. So obviously I have to consider them that because he takes the how that. That is the purpose. That is not that the other lawyers they are not thinking. They also have some purpose. Because non-prosecution may take a charge. Non-appeals for the petitioner. When the matter is called, the petition has been filed for restoration of the BLAP number 6461 of 2023, which was disposed of by order dated 14/11/2023. The said order is reproduced here. Court page order. To grant for the opportunity to the petitioner, list of request for 2024, complete when this bench sits next. Thank you.